Look, we gotta go.
Now go.
Okay. Got this. It's not that bad. Adam did it.
Exactly. That's all you gotta think about is if I did it,
I'll live. If you
This
live,
guy's
I'll
scared shitless of
I'm
heights too.
scared shitless of jumping from there. I almost like
Let's go, Jamie!
pitch myself. No, don't jump off at an angle. Jump straight.
My feet. I can't just jump like this. My feet are too close together.
If you go from where he is, it's better.
Jump, jump, jump.
Alright, well I'm gonna come back up because I'm gonna jump.
He's not jumping from there until.
Okay, I got this.
Well, I'm not jumping from over there yet. Do it. Just jump. Go past Austin.
That rock right there is scared.
No, just jump over it.
How much that is clear? Like 5
You saw me jump. I didn't even jump very far. Well, yeah, I did. 'Cause I was scared shitless. Jump as far as you can. Jump as far as you can.
You will definitely clear.
You'll make it. Just don't even think about it.
You'll definitely clear the rock. Don't worry.
Yeah, you.
Oh yeah, it's not that bad. Now I'm like,
I know for a fact you'll clear the rock.
Jamie, I did it. Just don't think about it. Just do it.
That's what she said.
Ready?
What?
5,
what?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Intense.